Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Once we accept our limits, we go beyond them. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. The only source of knowledge is experience. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. The difference between stupidity and genius is that genius has its limits. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. Imagination is more important than knowledge. If we knew what it was we were doing, it would not be called research, would it? The only real valuable thing is intuition. Everything should be made as simple as possible, but not simpler. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. It's not that I'm so smart. It's just that I stay with problems longer. Information is not knowledge. I never think of the future. It comes soon enough. No amount of experimentation can ever prove me right. A single experiment can prove me wrong. In order to succeed, your desire for success should be greater than your fear for failure. Education is not the learning of the facts, but the training of the mind to think. I have tried 99 times and have failed, but on the 100th time came success. You never fail until you stop trying. Only one who devotes himself to a cause with his whole strength and soul can be a true master. For this reason, mastery demands all of a person.